The spiral to war. Austria-Hungary felt understandably angry at the assassination of Franz Ferdinand, but weren't prepared immediately to declare war. Instead, they sent a 10-point ultimatum to the government and the country who rightly they believed were wrong, and that was Serbia. So Serbia gets sent this ultimatum, and this had various things about arresting the people involved, making sure any literature that was anti-Austrian was got rid of, the usual stuff. But there were things within it that the Serbs found very difficult, and one of those was a point which said Austria-Hungary must be allowed to help the Serbians with part of the investigation and part of the process to convict these people. This was something that Serbia just could not allow Austria to do because they felt they'd be almost taking over. So they refused this ultimatum section. Therefore, Serbia agreed to 9 out of 10 of the Austro-Hungarians' requests. Is that going to be enough to save war? 90%? Is that going to be enough for Austria to say, well, fair enough, it's near enough? I'm afraid it wasn't. One of the reasons why it wasn't was Germany. Obviously, we know Germany is on Austria's side, and they gave Austria what they called a blank check. In other words, they said to Austria, we feel you're in the wrong, you've been wronged by Serbia, so whatever you do, we will back you up. Doesn't mean we'll necessarily help you, but we will certainly back up your decision. Well, that meant Austria pretty much could do what it liked. So when Serbia didn't agree to 10 out of 10 of the points, they declared war on the 28th of July, exactly a month after the assassination. But now other parts of the alliances kick in, and now Russia, who is Serbia's closest ally, get involved. And on the 30th of July, they mobilise against Austria and Germany together. 2 days later, on the 1st of August, Russia then declares war and Germany declares war on it. And the only way this war was not going to spiral was if it stayed in Eastern Europe. At the moment, it's an Eastern European war. Trouble is, Germany, who now feels a war on 2 fronts is possible, now it's fighting in the East. Will it have to fight France in the West? Makes it a multi-layered war.